Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to auto close pop-up after few seconds or time in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our pop-up on home page. So we are going to auto close after few seconds or time. Now go to pop-up. So click on edit with Elementor. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. Now pop-up open. On top you see setting icon, pop-up settings, so click on it. And then on left side you see settings style advanced, so click on advanced. And then you see auto close after second. So you can add time according to requirement in second. So we are going to add 10 seconds. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now again you see pop-up. Now waiting. Now you see after 10 seconds pop-up auto close in Elementor Pro WordPress. So you can add time in second according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.